Tired of waiting in long lines to deposit your check? Let's ditch the teller and head to the ATM. I'm going to show you how to deposit a check quickly and easily at any Woodforest ATM. First things first, locate your nearest Woodforest ATM and get ready to insert your debit card. Most ATMs are available 24/7, giving you ultimate flexibility. Insert your Woodforest debit card into the designated slot on the ATM. The machine might prompt you to swipe or insert, so follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Enter your 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN, using the keypad, and make sure to shield the keypad with your hand as you enter your PIN number to protect from potential skimmers. Once you're logged in, look for the deposit option on the screen. It might appear on the main menu or under a More Options tab. On the deposit screen, you'll typically see options for check deposit or cash deposit. Select check deposit. The ATM may then briefly display the requirements for the check. Remember to properly endorse the back of your check with your signature and any required information, like your account number or for deposit only, because the ATM will verify this. The ATM will now prompt you to insert the check into the designated slot. Follow the on-screen prompts to insert the check correctly, and the ATM will pull it inside. The ATM will display an image of the check and the amount. Verify that the amount displayed is correct and confirm the deposit if everything looks good. If there is incorrect information, there will be an option to cancel the transaction. Finally, the ATM will display a confirmation screen with the deposit details. Take a receipt for your records. Don't forget to remove your debit card from the ATM.